Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. So today I'll be showing you how I turn this white rice into this flavorful tomato fried rice. So stay tuned. I'll begin by chopping up some onions, and while I'm doing this, I'm heating up some oil on the pan to begin the frying process. And as usual, I will list all the ingredients and the quantities in the description bar below, so don't forget to click. So I added about a tablespoon of tomato paste to the pan, and I'm going to fry this until I get that smoky tomato flavor. Then I'm going in with the onions and I'll fry these until they are translucent. Alright, so I'm adding in the tomatoes now, and I'll let these cook until they become soft. And with the tomatoes, you want to cook them thoroughly to get rid of that raw tomato smell. So we are here and I'm happy with the way the tomatoes look, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the spices. So I'll just list every spice as I add it on, then you can follow through. I must mention though that I'll be adding cayenne pepper to this, and cayenne pepper can be very spicy, so you can either take it out completely, or if you're a person who loves a little bit of heat like me, you just add a little bit and you're gonna have those nice flavors. And with the spices, please just try to add enough so that you don't kill the flavor of the food, because you still want to taste the tomatoes and the onions and all that. You don't want the spices to overpower all those flavors. So yeah, just try to just add a little bit just to add on to the flavor. That's it. Alright, so now that we have added the spices, I'm just going to mix everything in, and then I'll let all the flavors come together. Then I'm also adding some liquid chicken broth and some water so that it can help bring the flavors together. So after adding all that, I'm going to bring this to simmer, and this is on medium heat. Okay, now I'm adding the frozen vegetables to the gravy, and I'm adding them at this point because I want them to defrost in the gravy before I add the rice. And here we are. So I knew I was gonna cook this for dinner, so I cooked the rice in the morning and I just left it in the rice cooker all day. It is easier to work with rice that has settled in because it's drier, and it will give you a great outcome of your fried rice compared to if you use freshly cooked rice, which can turn out too soft or sticky, and that can be very unpleasant. So yeah. Okay, the rice is ready, so I'm just going to transfer it into a serving dish, and yeah, this brings me to the end of the video. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.